Hi everyone, welcome to the Devops desk. In this video, I'll walk you through creating a GitHub account and setting up GitHub repositories step by step with detailed explanations. So this video is absolutely perfect for beginners, people with zero knowledge or anyone new to GitHub. Okay? So before creating GitHub account, let's know what is GitHub. What is GitHub? So GitHub is a platform where developers can save, share and manage their code. It is a code hosting platform for collaboration and version control systems. It helps teams to collaborate, track changes in their code and work together efficiently. You can use GitHub to store your projects online and work with others on the same project even if they are in different places. Different places means one developer is in Hyderabad, one developer is in Bangalore. So together they can work on a single code and keep track of your code changes where you can undo mistakes. Before creating GitHub account, we required one working email ID. Let's go to Google and search GitHub. You can see the first result as github.com. Click on this and this is the main page of GitHub. You can create your GitHub account by clicking on sign up here, or you can enter your email ID and sign up for GitHub. So let's click on sign up here. So welcome to GitHub. Let's begin the adventure. You need to enter your email ID here. Click on continue. So you need to create a password for this GitHub account. So password is strong. So click on continue. Now you need to enter a username for your GitHub account. So it will show it here like username is available, or it will suggest other usernames here. The DevOps desk, let's check. Yeah, the DevOps desk is available. Click on continue. Click on verify. You need to adjust this image according to the direction shown in the left side. So click on submit. Now it will send a verification code to your email ID. So let's go to email and refresh. Yeah, I have received here. So same, I'll do the copy and paste. Your account is verified. Now you need to log in with your username and password. Sign in. I'm creating this GitHub account for student login purpose and practice purpose. So I'll select student and I will use this account for myself only. So I'll select it as just me. Continue. You can select any two options here, or you can skip this selection. I'll select first two things. Continue. So GitHub is available in free version and paid version. So for practicing purpose, I will go with the free version. Continue for free. That's it. Your GitHub dashboard is loading. Here is the dashboard of your GitHub account. Okay. Click on this icon, your profile. Yeah. Here you can see your GitHub profile here. Go to repositories. Currently there are no repositories available here. So let's create a repo here. Click on this new. Now you need to enter a name of your repo here. So I'm entering as DevOps desk repo. Okay. And description, currently I'm not giving any description as it is optional. And public or private, you can select your repository as publicly available or privately. So I'm selecting it as a public and add a readme file. This readme file will tell other people about your project and how it's useful to them, what they can do with your project and how can they use it. So gitignore file depends on your project. Whether your project is a Python project, you can select it as a Python, or it is a Java project, you can select it as a Java. So currently I'm not selecting any project here. Okay, and choose a license as a none. and create repository. Your GitHub repository is created, okay, with the branch name main as a default branch. You can see main as a default branch. If you want to create new branch, just go to here, give the branch name as a test and create branch test from the main branch. So it will create a new branch as a test from this main branch. Okay, now here you can see two branches are available. For example, I want to delete this branch. I don't want this test branch, so you can delete here directly. Deleted now. Okay, let's go back to code and check it. Only one branch is available here. Okay, now go to settings. For example, if you want to rename your repository to other name, so I'm giving it as a only DevOps repo. Click on rename. That's it. Your repo is renamed as DevOps repo. Now if you want to delete this repository, go to settings and scroll to the last. Here it is the option delete this repository. Click on this and I want to delete this repository. You need to enter username and repo name here. Delete this repository. Done, it's deleted. That's it. Now you know how to create a GitHub account and set up repositories and how to create branches and how to delete the branches step by step. So start practicing and using GitHub for your projects. Okay. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more DevOps tutorials and guides. See you in the next video.